Hey everyone, it's your girl Jen, and this video is sponsored by Dyson. I am finally moved back into my house, which feels amazing, but things are looking a little bit messy. So today we're gonna be cleaning, we're gonna be organizing my house into sections, so let's get started. So I always like to start my cleaning routine by vacuuming first. I have been obsessed with Dyson's V11 Torque Drive cord-free vacuum. And honestly, your search for the perfect vacuum ends here. Why? Well, it's completely cord-free, so you never have to worry about outlets and plugging in. You're officially in the clear to clean anywhere, and it's been a game changer for the stairs in my house. There's an LCD screen that shows you how much runtime you have, so you never have to estimate on your own. This is also where you can select what mode you want. There's eco mode, then there's auto mode, which is perfect for everyday cleaning. It has dynamic load sensing, so it senses and adapts to different floor types to optimize the runtime. So if you're cleaning carpets, it'll automatically adjust the power, and if you're cleaning hardwood floors, it'll adjust then too. You can actually hear and feel it change when you go from one floor type to another. Lastly, there's boost mode, and this is recommended for big spills. Like, look how easy it sucks up these oats on the floor. It also gives you helpful alerts like when to wash the filter or if there's a blockage. Vacuuming is a necessity because I love having a clean floor, and Cheeky is allergic to the dust, so I'm really adamant about vacuuming the house and every nook and cranny. Now, this is something we've been needing to do for a long time, and it's to organize the fridge. Right now, we don't really have a good system, but today I am changing that. So first, you're gonna wanna empty out your entire fridge first and then wipe down the surfaces. I bought these cute stickers that categorize where each food item will go, and you can also DIY this as well with a label maker. So in the left corner, I'm gonna put my veggies there. Then in the middle, I'm gonna put my produce, although I'm not really sure what the difference between veggies and produce are. And on the right side, I'm gonna put all my fruit. Now, I went ahead and got these clear cubbies, and inside this one, I'm gonna put my protein. And on the right, I'm gonna put eggs and bread. And on the left side, I just added more veggies that are wrapped up. For the shelf below, I'm putting all my Tupperware items like my washed chard, steamed broccoli, brown rice, and an onion. And on the top shelf, I'm putting all my Korean bits like soybean and hot pepper paste and just random side dishes. Now I'm gonna tackle the shelving on the door. So on the top, I put these little stickers for dairy items like butter, sour cream, and my cheeses. And below, I added all of our sauces and the oat milk because it didn't fit anywhere else. And on the bottom row, I have all our condiments. And there we have it. This is the cleanest and most organized my fridge has ever looked, and it is so satisfying to oogle at. The medicine cabinet has always been an eyesore. Everything is just everywhere, and it's impossible to find anything with stuff falling out. So first, you're gonna wanna clean everything out and start fresh. Storage is key, so I found this little sectioned off container and another random jar I found around the house, and I also bought this cute little Lazy Susan. So now using my label maker, I made one that says headache, and then I made one that says cold, and then one for first aid, so that way I can find all my bandages and ointments. Now for this jar, I'm specifically making it for allergies because Ben's allergies are always out of control. Now for this container, I made labels for the stomach, nose, more cold stuff, and just a miscellaneous section. And now it's time to arrange the medicine cabinet. And look at how much space we saved. It's efficient, it's organized, and it's consolidated. Now no one will ever have a problem finding anything. Another section that always looks like a hurricane is my bedroom drawer. This is kind of like my everything drawer where things are just stuffed in. So I thought I would clear it out so we can start fresh. I bought 3 long drawer containers to section things off and keep things from moving around. So for the first container, I'm putting my lotions and moisturizers and also my birth control so it's easy to find. The second container is where all my electronic stuff is gonna be. I put all my random cords and chargers into this soft bag so that way when I need it to connect or charge, I can just grab it from there. The third section is for travel. I put my passport and all these like converters that I need when I fly internationally. And so I just put them in this bag so they're not sprawling everywhere. And now for this empty space, I just put in my Switch for when I want to game. And then I also had this like miscellaneous bag of cords and chargers, so I thought I'd just add them in there too. And now it is all clean and everything is in its right place. The last section I'm tackling is my bathroom drawer. You know, same scenario, just stuff everywhere. So today we're gonna change that. I cleared everything out and I gave it a good clean to give me just a new beginning. So I bought these cute cubbies to keep things from shuffling around. So the first box is where I'm gonna put my feminine hygiene products like my pads, liners, tampons, and I also put some new razors in there too. The second box is for masks, scrubs, and serums that I'm just rotating around. And for the third box, I'm putting all my hair things like my jar of scrunchies, a white tooth comb, a headband, and I also set my hair dryer on the side as well. And voila, neat and clean. Alright guys, that is a wrap on this video. My house is now sparkling and clean and it feels so good. I hope this inspires you to kind of reassess your space and helps you get organized too. Again, this video is sponsored by Dyson. You can check out their V11 torque drive cord-free vacuum at dyson.com. I'll leave a link in the description box, so please pop that open. If you guys have any cleaning tips, please also write it in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Mwah.